As you could see, we got a next contender in the shop. What is this? Mongoose Kymco. You ever seen a Mongoose four-wheeler? Made in Taiwan. So just got the carburetor back in there. Took that whole thing apart. Started it up. It would only start and then cut off. So even after the carb clean, it wouldn't run right. Come to find out, it's having electrical issues. So as you can see, got the test light. So the reason I got the carburetor back out was it has an electric choke on it, so I was making sure that was running. Now I'm checking all the other stuff, electrical.